how to fix Facebook Messenger messages and send. So first thing you want to do to fix the messages problem in your messenger is go to the settings on your phone and then go to the apps manager. When you open the apps manager on this page, you will find every single app you have on your phone. Scroll until you find the Facebook Messenger and click on it. When you click on the Facebook Messenger, now click here on this four stop and click on the data usage option and disable the Wi-Fi and the mobile data and enable them back again. And then go back to the settings on your phone, go to the wireless and networks, enable the airplane mode right here as you can see, and after 5 seconds disable it. And the problem must be solved right now. If it's not, then you may have to go to the Play Store or the App Store if you have iPhone, search for Messenger and make sure to update it. Don't forget to like and subscribe.